Did you know that chainsaws were originally invented for childbirth? That's right! In the late 18th century, two Scottish doctors created the chainsaw to assist in a surgical procedure called symphysiotomy. The hand crank device was used to cut through bone. This procedure would cut the pelvic bone to make childbirth easier. Later, in the 20th century, chainsaws evolved into the powerful wood chopping tools we know today, a tool designed for childbirth purposes. Now, a staple of the logging industry. If you found this fact as mind-blowing as I did, make sure to like and subscribe now for more. And